1. 1969 Dodge D200 pickup, $2,700. San Rafael, this 1969 Dodge D200 is a 2WD pickup with a 318 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in fair condition with 88,000 miles and a clean title. The truck has been repainted, but retains all original parts, including the engine and transmission. The $2,700 price is a bargain for a classic Dodge with restoration potential. 2. 1973 Ford F250, 6,000 Fardo, California. This 1973 Ford F250 is a 2WD pickup with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's all original, runs strong, and has a clean title. The $6,500 price reflects its good condition and low mileage, 68,500 miles, odometer broken. 3. 1977 Chevrolet Square Body Long Bed 4x4, $2,795, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1977 Chevrolet is a long bed 4x4 pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and manual transmission. It's a solid project truck with no rust and a clean Colorado title. The $2,795 price is fair for a classic Chevy with strong potential for restoration. 4. 1976 Dodge Ram W100 Power Wagon, $5,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1976 Dodge Ram W100 is a 4x4 short bed pickup with a factory numbers matching 440 cubic inch big block V8 and a 727 automatic transmission. It runs excellently but needs cosmetic work. The $5,500 price is reasonable for a rare and powerful classic Dodge. 1976 Ford Ranger F250, $7,350, Indio, California. This 1976 Ford Ranger F250 is a 2WD pickup with a 460 cubic inch V8 engine and C5 automatic transmission. It has low miles, a rebuilt engine and transmission, and no rust. The $7,350 price reflects its excellent condition and clean title. 6. 1971 GMC half-ton pickup, $9,500, Payette, Idaho. This 1971 GMC is a half-ton pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with 106,000 miles, power steering, and a clean title. The $9,500 price is fair for a well-maintained classic GMC. Not 7. 1979 Chevy C10 short bed, $3,500, Sierra Vista, Arizona. This 1979 Chevy C10 is a short bed pickup with a 307 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's in good condition with minimal surface rust but doesn't currently run. The $3,500 price is fair for a project truck with a clean title. Eight. 1977 Ford F-150 4x4, $8,500, Reno, Nevada. This 1977 Ford F-150 is a 4x4 pickup with a 460 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It comes with many new parts and a clean title. The $8,500 price reflects its strong mechanical condition and potential for customization. 9. 1977 Ford F-150, $7,000, Menifee, California. This 1977 Ford F-150 is a short bed pickup with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It runs great and has a clean title. The $7,000 price is fair for a reliable classic Ford. Not 8. 1973 Ford F100, $4,000, Kirkland, Arizona. This 1973 Ford F100 is a 2WD pickup with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's not currently running but has a clean title and potential for restoration. The $4,000 price is reasonable for a project truck. 11. 1971 Ford Camper Special, $2,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1971 Ford Camper Special is a 2-wide pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It needs bodywork and engine attention, but has a clean title. The $2,500 price is a bargain for a classic Ford with restoration potential. 12. 1912 1971 Ford F250 Custom, $4,500, New Mexico. This 1971 Ford F250 is a 2-body pickup with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's a beat-up farm truck but runs and drives. The $4,500 price reflects its solid mechanical condition and clean title. 13. 1978 GMC Van Pelt Pumper Fire Truck, $500, Modoc County, California. This 1978 GMC is a fire truck with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in fair condition and sold as is. The $500 price is a steal for a unique project or parts vehicle. $14. 1986 Ford F-150, $7,500, Sanger, Texas. This 1986 Ford F-150 is a heavy half-ton pickup with a V8 engine and manual transmission. It's in excellent condition with 100,000 miles and a clean title. The $70,500 price reflects its excellent preservation and family history.